Hey everyone, Chris here from OptimizeAI. I'm here today to tell you about some of the cool features we just added in our version 2.1 release. So, the first and probably the coolest feature that we added is the ability to pick and choose which AI model you're going to use to generate your content. The three biggest models that are out there right now are really GPT-4, Claude 3, and Google Gemini. So now when you go into the AI Tool Suite, if you go into any of our tools, you'll have a new drop down at the top that's going to show you the content generation service, and you can pick and choose between those three models. The next thing we added into the tool suite is web browsing. Now, we didn't add web browsing across the board, but we did add it to a couple of select tools and to one of the assistants where we really feel that you're going to benefit the most from it. So, the main tool that we added the web browsing feature into is the research assistant, because when you're researching something, you're obviously going to want to make sure that you have the most relevant information and sources that you can cite to make sure that the data is correct. So, in the research assistant, you can, as we just talked about, choose which model you want to use. But at the bottom, you're going to see an option down here to enable web browsing. When you do enable web browsing, what's going to happen is when you put in your search query, the AI is first going to do a web search. It's going to search with Bing and it's going to return all the relevant results. The AI is going to select what it believes are the best results for your query and then send all of that information over to the AI model of your choosing in order to analyze that data and give you a response. We also built it into a couple of our other tools as well as the personal assistant, Sam. The next thing we added into the suite in version 2.1 is the ability to generate images. So if you go into the tool suite and you go to AI tools, you're going to see two new tools. There's a default image generator where it'll actually prompt you and allow you to pick between some different options, as well as put in the description of what you want in order to generate your image. The other tool that uses image generation that we added into the suite is the social media posting. So this will let you pick between your platform, what your topic is, the tone you want. So not only will this generate an image that you can use in your social media posts, but it's going to generate a caption with hashtags that you can use in conjunction with the image that gets created for your post. So those are the big things that we added in version 2.1. You should definitely go try them out and then come back and let us know what you think. Feedback from you guys is really what we use to build new features into the tool suite. So the more feedback we get from you, the cooler features we'll be able to build in the future.